Every time you open a website, watch a video, send an email, use cloud storage, or open a mobile app, something is working slightly behind the scenes. That something is usually a data center. The internet may feel invisible, wireless, and instant, but behind it there are real buildings full of servers, storage, systems, network devices, power systems, cooling, and security. In this episode, we will explain what a data center is, why it exists, what is inside it, and how it powers the digital world we use every day. What is a data center? At the simplest level, a data center is a physical facility used by organizations to house their critical applications and data. It is not just a room full of servers. It is a complete environment designed to run applications, store information, connect users, and keep services available. According to Cisco Data Center Fundamentals, a data center is built around computing and storage resources that enables the delivery of shared applications and data. It also includes important components like routers, switches, firewalls, servers, storage systems, and application delivery controls. So, when we say data center, we are talking about the foundation that allows digital service to work reliably. A data center exists because businesses and users need applications and data to be available all the time. Think about email, banking apps, online shopping, video streaming, cloud storage, business databases, AI platform, and collaboration tools. These services need computer power, storage capacity, network connectivity, security, and reliability. The data center brings all of this together in one controlled environment. Its job is to host, process, store, protect, and deliver applications and data. In simple words, a data center exists so digital services can run fast, safely, and continuously, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Inside a data center. Inside a data center, many systems work together. First, we have servers. Servers provide the processing power, memory, local storage, and network connectivity needed to run applications. Second, we have storage systems. Storage keeps the data, and in modern data centers, data is one of the most valuable assets. Third, we have network infrastructure. This connects servers, storage services, and users together. But a data center also needs much more than IT equipment. It needs power systems, UPS, backup generators, cooling systems, ventilation, fire suppression, physical security, and connections to external networks. These facility systems are necessary to keep the hardware and software running safely and reliably. So, a data center is both an IT system and a facility system working together. Three main pillars. A data center is usually built around three main infrastructure pillars: compute, storage, and network. Compute means the servers that run applications and workloads. These servers provide CPU, memory, local storage, and network connectivity. Storage means the system that store and manage data. Cisco describes data as a fuel of the modern data center because almost every digital service depends on storing and accessing data. Network means the infrastructure that connects everything together: servers, storage, security services, cloud environments, and users. When these three pillars work together, the data center can deliver applications, data, and services to users reliably. Real world examples. Now let's make this practical. Data centers support many of the services we use every day. They support email and file sharing. They run productively applications like office tools and collaboration platforms. They support customer relationship management system, enterprise resource planning systems, and business databases. They also support big data, artificial intelligence, machine learning, virtual desktops, communication platforms, and collaboration services. So when a company uses Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, CRM software, ERP systems, AI tools, cloud databases, or online collaboration platforms, those services are powered by data centers infrastructure somewhere. The user only sees the app, but behind the app, the data center is doing the hard work. Modern data centers. Modern data centers are very different from traditional data centers. In the past, many applications ran on physical servers inside one company-owned facility. Today, infrastructure has shifted towards virtualization, cloud, hybrid cloud, multi-cloud, and edge environments. Applications and data may now be spread across multiple locations, on-premises data centers, private cloud, public cloud, and edge sites. Even the public cloud is built from data centers. When an application runs in the cloud, it is still using data centers resources from a cloud provider. So, modern data centers are no longer just one building. They are part of a large connected ecosystem designed to deliver applications and data everywhere. Let's wrap it up. A data center is the foundation of the digital world. It hosts critical applications and data. It is built from compute, storage, and network infrastructure. It also depends on security, power, cooling, and facility systems to stay reliable. It powers real world services like email, websites, databases, business applications, AI, cloud platforms, and collaboration tools. And today, modern data centers can extend across on-premises infrastructure, private cloud, public cloud, and edge environments. In the next episode, we will go one step deeper and look at data center architects, including how data centers are designed for performance, scalability, and resiliency. Thanks for watching and welcome to Data Center Fundamentals for NexLayer Tech.